Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Abhipsa and today I'm going to prepare something really tasty and delicious. Also something very healthy. So today's our recipe is mixed fried rice. So as I mentioned that it is mixed fried rice, normally it contains lots of veggies, eggs, meats and fish like prawn. But I have some allergy problems. That's why I am not going to add fish. Otherwise, all the process of this recipe are same. So, no more further delay. Let's get started with our today's video. And also, if you do enjoy my video, then hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. For the fried rice, here I have taken 1 carrot finely chopped, 1 cup of cabbage finely chopped, some beans and 1 whole capsicum finely chopped. Along with that, I have taken 1 inch of ginger finely chopped, 5 to 6 cloves of garlic finely chopped, some chicken cut in cubes, 1 onion thinly sliced. And also I have some vinegar and soya sauce. And also I have some pre-boiled rice. Now let's heating up a kadhai. Now I am gonna add some refined oil. Now the oil is completely hot. I am adding chopped garlics and gingers. Let it fry for some seconds. After 30 to 40 seconds, I am gonna add sliced onion, simply frying it. The onions are golden brown in color. Now it's time for adding all the veggies. Here I am adding cabbage, beans. And also the capsicum I have added. Now I am adding the carrot. Now I am sprinkling some water and again frying it. Adding some salt for the taste and again stirring it till the veggies are completely cooked. Now my veggies are well fried. Again I am taking the same kadhai and heating up some refined oil. Once the oil heats up, now I am adding 2 eggs. Now I am continuously keep stirring so that it forms like a bhurji. Also here I am adding a pinch of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. And again I am stirring it so that all the seasonings spread equally all over the egg. The egg bhurji is also done. Now in the same kadhai and in the same oil I am adding the chicken pieces to fry. Again some salt and black pepper powder for the taste. The salt and black pepper powder is the only spice I am using here. The chickens are all done and now I am adding all the fried vegetables and egg. And tossing it again for some time. Almost for 2 to 3 minutes more. Now I am adding the pre-boiled rice gradually. Here I am gonna add 3 tablespoons of soya sauce. This is the light one, but if you use the dark one, then 1 to 1.5 teaspoon will be good. And 3 tablespoons of vinegar. Here's the important part of this recipe begins. If you are making something Chinese, then soya sauce is a must-have. Here I have added the green chilies and now I am adding 1.5 teaspoon of black pepper powder. See, I love black pepper powder, so I am adding a little extra. All the ingredients with the rice very carefully, otherwise the rice grains can break and in the last our fried rice will not look nice. You can see how I am doing it. Try to fold the rice from all the sides. Yeah, so here is my mixed fried rice is ready to be served. The last and final step is to add some spring onion greens. Obviously, you can skip it if you want. It will taste as good as it is. And here is the final look. Serve hot.